Before your first trade, most of what you believe about trading is shaped by expectations, not reality. You imagine progress as something visible, fast improvement, clear signs that you are on the right path, but markets do not teach that way. Your first trade is not a test of skill. It is an introduction to uncertainty. Welcome to the Phantom Trader world, where clarity comes before execution. Many beginners believe the first few trades will confirm whether trading is for them or not. They expect early results to reflect their potential. This expectation is dangerous. In probabilistic environments, short-term outcomes are meaningless. A winning first trade proves nothing. A losing first trade proves nothing. Yet, emotionally, both feel significant. A win creates confidence too early. A loss creates doubt too quickly. Both distort judgment. The market does not reward enthusiasm. It rewards consistency over time. Before your first trade, one of the most important expectations to manage is time. Learning trading is not linear. Progress does not move forward in a straight line. There are plateaus. There are regressions. There are long periods where nothing seems to improve. If you expect constant progress, frustration is inevitable. Another common expectation is clarity. Beginners often believe that once they understand the rules, decisions will feel obvious, that entries will look clear, that exits will feel logical. In reality, clarity comes after repetition, not before it. Early on, most decisions feel uncomfortable. You hesitate. You second guess. You replay decisions after the fact. This is not failure. It is exposure. Trading exposes you to decision-making without certainty, and that discomfort is part of the training. Expecting confidence too early creates pressure. Pressure leads to rushed decisions. Rushed decisions create unnecessary losses. Another expectation that causes damage is the belief that discipline will appear automatically. Discipline is not motivation, it is structure. Before your first trade, discipline feels like willpower. After many trades, you realize it is about rules that limit damage. If you expect yourself to just be disciplined, you are setting yourself up for conflict. Discipline must be designed, not demanded. There is also the expectation of emotional neutrality. Many beginners believe they should not feel fear, excitement, or hesitation. They think emotions are signs of weakness, but emotions are normal responses to risk. The goal is not to eliminate emotion. The goal is to prevent emotion from changing behavior. Expecting to feel calm from the beginning creates unrealistic standards. What matters is acting consistently, despite discomfort. One of the most damaging expectations is tying self-worth to early results. If your first trades define how you see yourself, trading becomes personal. Losses feel like judgment. Wins feel like validation. This creates an unstable emotional cycle. Professional traders separate identity from outcome. They understand that early performance is noise. Before your first trade, you must accept that mistakes will happen. Rules will be broken. Decisions will feel messy. This does not mean you are failing. It means you are learning inside a real environment. Another expectation to reset is the idea of control. You control execution. You do not control outcome. If you expect control over results, frustration will dominate your experience. If you expect control over behavior, progress becomes possible. The purpose of your first trades is not profit. It is feedback. Feedback about how you react, how you manage risk, how you handle uncertainty. If you expect profits too early, you miss the real lesson. Managing expectations before your first trade is about shifting focus from results to process, from certainty to probability, from excitement to survival. Those who fail rarely fail because of bad strategies. They fail because their expectations break before their system has time to work. Your first trade is not a verdict. It is a starting point, and how you frame that moment often determines whether you last long enough to learn anything meaningful at all. If this video added clarity to how you see trading, support this work. An interaction tells the algorithm this foundation matters. A subscription tells me to keep building it with you.